So for the 8th day of the Christmas treats, we are going to be making Neverland hot chocolate with star marshmallows. And the marshmallows are going to be made from scratch. If you've never made marshmallows from scratch, they are pretty tasty and they're actually very simple to make. So we're going to do it step by step and then we'll do the hot chocolate after. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to prepare the gelatin. So we need a half a cup of water and 2 packages of gelatin. We are going to let the gelatin sit on top of the water for 10 minutes. And we already lined our 9 by 13 inch baking pan with cling wrap. And we are going to prepare it by coating it with a little bit of butter. It would be better if you have some sort of cooking spray. It would be easier, but we do not because I don't buy that and I wasn't gonna buy it for one recipe. So I'm just gonna melt some butter and then I'm going to use a basting brush to coat the bottom. We are going to add a half a cup of water, here you go, to a pot. Okay. There you go. And we are going to then add in 2 cups of granulated sugar. Once the sugar is dissolved in the water, we're going to add our gelatin and we're going to bring it to a boil. So we're going to turn the heat up to high. We're going to add in the gelatin from our bowl and stir it around.
I forgot this is how we make the marshmallows.
Yeah, right? Take over if you want. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. So now that our mixture here is boiling, we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna pour it carefully into a bowl and we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna let it cool, okay? We have to let it cool partially. So once it stops steaming and it's a little bit cooler to the touch, it'll be partially cool. Once it's partially cool, we're gonna add in salt and vanilla and we're gonna beat it with an electric mixer until it's soft and it doubles in the volume. So it's kind of similar to the way that you would make a angel food cake or the way that you would make whipped cream. So you're gonna whip it. We're gonna basically whip it until it doubles in size. So now that our mixture has cooled slightly, we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
By the way, don't
mess behind us because we are actually making empanadas today, so that's kind of quite an ordeal.
Mommy, look.
Make sure it's full. 2. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
going to pour 12 cups of milk into this hot pot.
2.
That's 3.
Okay. Put it over the pot. 3. 4. Second.
We need more milk.
Okay. 5. Should I tell them to turn off the music? 6.
6 more.
7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Okay, 1 cup of cocoa powder. And we're going to put in 1.5 cups of sugar. A little bit of salt. And we're going to throw our peppermint candies in here because this is going to be a peppermint hot chocolate. We want to make our,
Now?
let me mix this up first. All right, now that this is all mixed together, we're going to add in the peppermint candies, and these are 9 peppermint candies. Once we are done distributing the hot chocolate into the cups, we are going to dress them with some whipped cream. Okay. Oops. Some chocolate chips. Of peppermint candies.
And I'm gonna have peppermint sticks.
And 1 homemade, well, two homemade marshmallows. Oops, that one went to the floor. 2 homemade marshmallows. And that is our peppermint hot chocolate and homemade marshmallows for the day. So they look really fun. I can't wait to eat them and drink them. The marshmallows are really tasty. The hot chocolate is delicious.